be in there. Yeah. Dada. How do you get this stuff out?
I'll get it in a second.
What's
Grab
that
it down there by the handle and kind of scoop it like ice cream.
Oh, that's interesting.
Let me see that.
No,
Oops.
let me.
Hold on, I'm just helping you get some more out of the side. Hold on. Watch out.
Now let me get it. Your hand's dirty. I know it is.
It's over yours. Look at your shirt.
No.
Because you like to wipe.
Oh,
There. Go for it.
now we're making some progress.
Let me try now.
Hang on. Trying to get a pumpkin carved. I'm not trying to stay here all day.
Can I try now?
Hold on. Oh.